Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm so glad you're here today. Today's video is very fun. I'm going to be getting ready for my day, but also showing you guys how I incorporate glamour magic into my everyday getting ready makeup routine. Although I will say every time I do my makeup, I don't always do glamour magic when I get ready, but it just depends on where I'm going or if I'm going to a certain event. Sometimes I will whip out these tricks and I'm excited to share them with you. We are going to be doing a spell candle, which is well on its way to almost being done. I'm going to show you guys how to do a protection braid and also different ways to incorporate glamour magic into how you apply your makeup. Glamour magic is using different items that you put on your physical body with certain set intentions to get a desired outcome. So a lot of love witches or witches in general will use glamour magic to enhance their beauty, protect them in their day-to-day life, or attract a certain type of frequency or energy. And yeah, I'm just going to show you guys how I do that in my different routines and my makeup routine and etc. First, a word from today's sponsor. This video is kindly sponsored by isopiabeauty. I love false eyelashes. I wear them almost every single day, and I've been on the hunt for a pair that are easy to apply but also really comfortable to wear. Isopia sent me a box of lashes to try out, so I'm gonna try them out on camera with you guys. I'm so excited. They sent me 3 different types of lashes. They sent me the Iso Gentle Touch, the Iso Gentle Breath, and the Iso Gentle Echo. All 3 of these are so gorgeous. I can't wait to try all of these out, but I think today I'm going to try the Iso Gentle Touch. These are so pretty, and I think they're gonna look really good with my makeup look today. They also sent me their versatile scissors so I can trim the lashes if needed. They sent me their Hold On Lash Glue, which has a 24-hour hold, which I really appreciate. They also sent me the Gentle Clip, which makes this whole process so unique and effortless. They also sent me their Triple Curly Lash Curler that I'm going to use to curl my lashes before I put on the Iso Gentle Touch. They sent me this really cute mirror that lights up, which is so cool. It's a zoom in mirror so I can really see what I'm doing, because Lord knows I need that. So the application process is super easy. You just take your Gentle Clip and put in your lash of choice. I'm just going to take their Hold On Lash Glue and add a thin strip to the lash. Make sure you let the glue sit and get tacky before application. A strong glue can really make or break your lash routine. To apply the lash, it's so easy. You just line it up on your lash line like so, and then voila! It's like the easiest application process ever. The material of these lashes are soft, they're zero burden, they're flexible, and they're super comfortable to wear throughout the day. These lashes are so gorgeous. They really make my eyes pop. These are definitely going to be my new go-to lashes when I do my makeup. These are so pretty. I feel like a princess. If you want to try out your own set of lashes from Isopia, please make sure to check the link in my description box and order yourself a set. Thank you again to Isopia for sponsoring this video. And now let's get started with the glamour magic. Before I start any kind of spell work, I first like to smoke cleanse my space and my items. Today I'm using my favorite Dragon's Blood incense. This incense has a very strong protective energy. You're going to need a pink candle, which is a perfect offering for Aphrodite or to invoke the energy of obtaining beauty. And I'm just cleansing my candle before I anoint it with my favorite oil. You are going to completely cover your candle in your oil of choice. I got mine from my local witch shop here in Los Angeles. Next, I'm going to roll my candle in some herbs. I'm using pink rose petals because Aphrodite loves those, but also it's great for attracting love. I'm also using basil, which is a great all-purpose herb, but I'm using it for the intention of protection. And I'm also adding lavender to bring a peaceful energy to my spell and serenity, and to really just connect with my spirit guides. You're just gonna roll your candle in the herbs and try to stick them on the candle the best you can. If you can't get it totally perfect, that's totally fine. You can just add the herbs at the base of the candle before we light it, which is what I did with my leftover herbs. I'm just creating a bed of those herbs at the base of my candle in my new vintage candle holder. It's so pretty. I'm adding this rock that I actually got from the actual ocean. Like, I didn't buy this, I just went to the beach and picked it up. Aphrodite was made out of sea foam, so anything from the sea is perfect for this. I'm also adding rose quartz and my favorite seashell. I have been loving incorporating tarot cards into my spell work, so I grabbed my travel size tarot deck, and my favorite card in the whole deck is the Empress because it represents the divine feminine, so I just added that at the base of my candle as well. I am also spritzing my Miss Dior Blooming Bouquet perfume for Aphrodite. It is scented like rose, which I know she would love, and this is what we've got so far. I'm just going to also add a Fenty Beauty lip gloss. It's a pink shaded lip gloss for Aphrodite as well. And that is my beauty spell / offering to Aphrodite. Of course, you're going to want to light it with intention and let it burn all the way down whilst you do your makeup. I hope you guys try this out for yourselves. And yeah, let's go ahead and do our makeup. I have my beautiful Glamour Magic spell going while I do my makeup, which I love doing. I do it quite often. Please ignore this super ugly charger. Also, I got a new mirror. Do you guys like? So cute. There are so many ways to use Glamour Magic. You can use sigils in your concealer, which is what I'm about to do. You could use it via colors, scents. There are so many ways you could do this, so definitely feel free to make it your own. You don't have to do it exactly the way that I do it. I'm taking my e.l.f. concealer, my Hydrating Camo concealer, and instead of just putting on my concealer normally, I'm going to be drawing the Triple Goddess sigil, which is this sigil for the divine feminine. I like to use Glamour Magic for beauty, for connecting to my feminine energy, self-love, being in the state and flow of receiving. So I like to do this sigil with my concealer because my concealer is like the base of my whole makeup look, and I want my divine femininity to be the base of my day and my week and my life. So I'm going to go ahead and draw that symbol. It's super easy. You just do a circle like so, and then 2 crescent moons. It obviously does not have to be perfect, like so, just like that. Super easy. It doesn't need to be like the most accurate, just the general idea. And then as I'm putting this on, I like to say affirmations out loud. I am open to receiving. I'm in my feminine energy. I love myself. I'm beautiful, etc., etc. You can say whatever affirmations work the best for you. All right, now I'm just going to blend this in as my base, and I have my intention set to be connected to my divine feminine, which honestly in my witchcraft journey just plays such an important role for me personally. But you can do whatever sigil you want, whatever matches your witchcraft journey or your intention for your Glamour Magic. I definitely recommend looking into different sigils and see which one speaks to you the most. So I'm just blending this with my Real Techniques blender. I want to do a fairly natural makeup look today. I don't want too much going on. It's summertime. I want light makeup, but also still feeling glamorous. Now that that is all blended, I'm going to set it with my Beauty Blender Soft Focus Loose Powder, which is my favorite powder to set. It's just too good. So like I said earlier, you can use Glamour Magic in whatever way works best for you. You can even just do it by picking out a certain item of clothing and setting intentions with that. Color magic is such a big part of Glamour Magic, which is definitely going to be playing a part in the makeup we're doing today. Now that I've set my concealer, I'm gonna go ahead and do some light bronzing and contouring. I'm taking my e.l.f. contour quad and I'm taking the second darkest shade and I'm just going to bronze up the skin a little bit. Alrighty, just blending that down my neck. Also, I'm just going to lightly contour my nose. I'm just blending this in with my finger. I'm just adding a little bit of highlighter on the tip of my nose and the bridge of my nose. Something just fairly subtle. Next, I'm gonna do blush, but I'm actually going to be using a lipstick for blush today, and I'm also gonna be dabbing this on my lips a little bit. This is the VoxLux Vanity lipstick in the shade Sunday Brunch. It's such a gorgeous brick red, Hollywood glam red. I love these lipsticks. They're so glamorous and retro, so pretty. Just gonna get a little bit on my brush and dab this on my cheeks for some color. In color magic, red is good for sensuality, attraction, attracting love, attracting admiration, really tapping into that glamorous, sensual energy, which is what I personally like to do in glamour magic, especially with makeup. I like to emit a certain frequency, a certain aura in the way I present myself to the world. So using glamour magic to present yourself a certain way and incorporate certain energies into your person and your aura is really beneficial. I personally am practicing self-love and viewing myself the way others view me. That is the intention I'm setting right now with this red rouge blushed look. I'm going to be incorporating some black eyeliner to invoke a protective energy as well, because every time I do glamour magic, there is an element of protection there as well. Alright, going back with that contour quad, I'm just going to use it to contour my eyes as well. I'm not going to go in with eyeshadow today. I'm mostly going to focus on the eyeliner. So I'm just going in with a regular brown shade and I'm going to contour my eyes. Even your eyeshadow, you could use your eyeshadow and set the intention for spirit to let you see things accurately, give you clarity, see the right thing to give you the right idea, see beautiful things, attract the sight of beautiful things. Just a subtle eye contour is all I really want to do today. Going in with a black eyeliner, you can set your intentions with your black eyeliner to protect you as you move through your day. I just want some subtle, not super winged out eyeliner today. Something a little easier for me to do. I'm okay at winged eyeliner. I'm not the best at it, so most of the time I just opt for something a little more simple. Just a super simple eye look. As you guys saw in the beginning of this video, I just put on my Gentle Touch lashes and I'm just gonna go ahead and blend them with my favorite waterproof mascara. I'm using the Essence Lash Princess mascara. I'm almost out of it. I really need to get another one. You can use any mascara that you have on hand. Going back in with that VoxLux Vanity lipstick that we used earlier as blush, I'm just going to dab it on my lips with the same intention that I said earlier, to attract self-love and the right kind of attention. Such a pretty color. I'm just going to blot it with a tissue really quick. I like a nice blotted lip. Pretty. It's like a natural flushed red. It's not like a straight up like Marilyn Monroe red. And that is it for my Glamour Magic makeup. Now I'm going to show you how to do a protection braid. So with a protection braid, sorry, I'm just taking my hair down. With a protection braid, you can simply just braid your hair. You can keep it as simple as that, or you could add ribbon with your color of choice. You could do red to attract love, pink to tap into your flirtatious, fun, playful energy. You could do green to attract wealth or gold. You could do purple to attract peace and serenity, or you could do black to have a protective braid. I'm gonna be using a black ribbon today. Firstly, I'm just gonna brush my hair really quick. Our candle is burning beautifully. She's gorgeous. Okay, Now that my hair is brushed, you are just going to need 2 of these little mini rubber bands and your ribbon of choice. Firstly, I'm going to tie the rubber band around one end of my ribbon. I tied it at the end. I'm just going to trim off this little excess piece. Now you're just going to take a section of hair. You could either do like a full all hair braid, or you could just take a little section like I'm going to. Just going to take the front end of one side like so. And firstly, I'm going to tie the top end of my ribbon to the top of my braid. I know I have dark hair, so it's kind of hard to see the ribbon, but it's more so about the protective aspect of it. And then simply you're just going to use the ribbon as one of the sections of a 3-section braid, like a normal braid. And then you're going to take your hair and split it into 2 like so, and then just braid the ribbon into your hair. Super simple, super easy. As I'm braiding the hair, I like to say affirmations like I'm safe, I am protected, my energy is sacred, I am emotionally, physically, and mentally safe. And then to about right there. I know I have pieces sticking out, but it's because I have face framing pieces right there, but we're not aiming for perfection, we're aiming for protection. And then I'm just going to tie off the end with another elastic. And then I'm just going to cut off this end piece and use it to tie a bow at the end, which is not required, but it is cute. And that is how you do a protection braid. To finish off my Glamour Magic for the day, I'm going to put on my Pink Sugar perfume. It's like so old, I really need a new one. But scents are also a really great way to incorporate Glamour Magic. If you want to appear sweet, have people think you have a sweet aura, put on a sweet scent. I love doing this. I either use that one or I use my Miss Dior Blooming Bouquet. Oh my god, my candle is candling. This has a lot of floral elements like rose, for example, which is really good for Love Magic and Glamour Magic. I might just add a spritz of this as well. All right, one final check. And that is how you do Glamour Magic. At least that's how I do Glamour Magic. Thank you guys for getting ready with me today. If you try out any of my Glamour Magic little tricks, like any of the things I did in the makeup, the braid, or the spell, please let me know and take a picture and tag me. And I will see you in the next one. Bye!